Mentaka sngi aruf fundai terik risau arhajar Husan bawelan mikishla menteri beri pej ya ketana ke koi kia habakren hakilat patai kubor hadin jingialang ke kabinet oleh tu ba hagne jingialang kelasi mekat do kan neteli kirai kawai ke ba kabinet kelasi mekarai kelong makat kum karai jongga ying bisyar ba klidu jongkari India de bandon kenahi kai special educator hagne jela kidan arspa profile teli kikam kibalai ndai namar ba kladon pa kenahi kai Platung kontrang nagaliang jongga kabinet kelarai ban itu no eki kum gino tre sarkar ka kabinet ntagasni klasim ya garai ban pynkhreh ya ka MDC election shakarhil autonomous council ya ka por kabinet kansasim ya garai menta dan kam bandan shua ya ka electoral roll habe de begna hikai ka kabinet klapdiang bandan no dag jingsiu ko bathmai ban ka jingbu renti ya gino hikai SSA high school kanno kan kata ya gane dan pynkhreh katanat pule puthi ka kabinet klapdiang ru ya ka village defense organization rule arajar san kane ka product ya ka jintri kam hai kradan beper ha ka jila ha ka district ha ki shinong ki thau ka jingsiu kan long lai hajar nagba ki ju siu menshua tang lai spa tangka
agenda taken today in the cabinet meeting held today. So the first agenda is the introduction and implementation of outcome-based budgeting method for utilizing state fund from the health budget. The second agenda we took today is regularization of special educator and similar professional as mandated in the Honorable Supreme Court of India order file number EDN.170/2023. The next agenda is rationalization of government or SSA school. The next agenda is Meghalaya Village Defense Organization Rule 2025 and to revise the out-of-pocket money of VDPs as per file number HPL.238/2025. The next agenda is the amendment to Schedule 11 to the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Rule 2011. Next is publication of the draft code on wages Meghalaya Rule 2024. Second, the draft Meghalaya Occupation Safety, Health and Working Condition Rule 2024. Third is the draft code on Industrial Relation Meghalaya Rule 2024 and the draft code on Social Security Meghalaya Rule 2024. Next is the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils. So these are the agenda taken in today's cabinet.